one of the ways we greet friends here in India. My name is Marissa. It is beautiful here, yes? Well, I'll tell you how this place came to be. Many eons ago, there lived an enlightened Maharaja and Maharani of Anandapur, whose hearts were one with nature. So much so, the Maharani turned her palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I was inspired by her story every time I visited India. Then one day, I decided to make Anandapur my home. Now I'm following her footsteps as a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures. And now, this is my favourite part of each day, as the birds fly here to join me in a dance to welcome you. Welcome to Anandapur, where adventurers meet up. I come here often, spending my time with the birds and my friends, local bird experts, who dedicate their time to making Anandapur a welcoming place for birds from all over the world. It's one of the reasons I love to gather adventurers and wilderness explorers like you here. I'm proud to be our senior wilderness explorer from the local Chiria tribe. More large. Oh, I think one of my friends might come and visit us. Let's see. Oh, Cleveland. Oh, Cleveland. It's one of my very good friends. Perhaps. I think he's feeling a bit shy. Maybe he'll join us later. As I was saying. Did you see someone? Did you see my friend? Hi, Cleveland. Everyone's so happy to see you. Well, I love spending time with Cleveland, which is why I'm so proud to be part of the Chiria tribe in Moor Lodge. And this is a mudra, a hand gesture, for Chiria, which means bird, and Moor means peacock in the Hindi language. And today we have another senior wilderness explorer visiting our gathering. He asked if we could bring his dog along, and since we are friends to all, I was happy to oblige. Adventurers, please welcome Russell and Doug!